Good day, Mommy and Papa them for Southern Cameroon. My sisters and brother them for Southern Cameroon. Namola Alex Ndiveli Singer, the talk today, your Anglo-Saxon lawyer. Today, I want to talk, say, it be right say Mugo dialogue, Mugo story, with people them for La République du Cameroon. We don't hear since for more than 9 months now. Say some people they want go dialogue. The two way they worry me plenty and I say, now we don't talk say one dialogue wait una daily beggars them every time. I don't talk more than 9 months ago, almost a year. Say any man will check say La République fi dialogue with them, for talk with them. The person a novice. It means a person will lack experience. And if you check say if you go talk on behalf for La République, no so you be beggar. Because the only way La République they talk, their own dialogue now say they take you give you minister. If they give you minister, it go fix your road? No. If they give you minister, it go fix your health service? No. If they give you minister, you go create employment? No. Another thing where the people they say they want to go dialogue again with Mr. Biya. I don't talk plenty times say Mr. Biya na puppet. Now the reason why me I not ever dialogue with that kind of people then. Cameroon they so when I say now on a country. Cameroon go on a country. Now property for France. Aijo be don't sell that country long time ago. The people the way they go on free for Cameroon. Now NS Wanji them. Umnyobe them. Nde Tumasa them. They Abemu Kontu. Now the people they die they go on free including Dr. Endeli. A small picking young boy. I be work I go for Foncha Street, go meet up Power Foncha. Power Foncha tell me say wait, say he don't write for Mr. Biya. He don't beg say he want see Paul Biya make they talk the problem wait to be happen for Fumba. Plenty time he asked, Mr. Biya deny for see. I be go to Fombengwe for Pa Munai house. I go she down and ask the same thing. Say okay, they don't make their mistake, they want solve the problem. Biya talk say no. Make una know say Biya na small picking them. Biya na small man for Pamuna and Pafoncha Iba. Biya deny for see people the way they say na father of unification. So today the thing the world talk say dialogue. Me I know they. If we want get any dialogue, we will tell na France to come off of the country. Because Mr. Biya they say no get power. When he sit down for day, he own power. Now for take gun from France, they kill your own people then. Cameroon they so, not be some money personal property. We don't fight for a long time. And it no go stop. Some people they don't talk so if you come that Cameroon again. Say they go do wait for we. They go catch we. We go come for that Cameroon. Something the way they talk for French say Sagat. Either all we fix our country, we stay there, or we go turn and so. It turn poto because we no go leave that country. For 57 years, we don't live together. Some people they still live, they say a slave for your country. I go hear some my own brother them for Fako. They say, oh, now these other people they do so. Una people them for Fako, my brother. Una don't sote, una not be director general for Sonara. We there for country where we get airport. The first time I go Northwest, I take plane, like small picking, from Tico Airport, land for Bali Airport. Who saw that airport don't go? Una don't ask yourself. You don't ask yourself so who some marketing board don't go. You don't ask yourself so we don't get Korea road where if you walk inside the English province that we must pass or Bafusam. You don't ask yourself that question. We not go dialogue, we not debate Mr. Biya. The constitution where they for Cameroon today be unconstitutional. I don't know whether we get constitutional court day. The federal constitution, we say they don't change that constitution for do it they do for we Article 47. They change that. So the constitution where they now useless constitution now fly upon a pile of a sheep. The constitution be illegal. We not dey respect them. If they want talks in a dialogue, we not dey beg them. Oh, now we not fight dialogue. I don't say Mr. Biano the dialogue. Mr. Bia dialogue na say he go send people then they go meet up. The same people. He go talk for Nangwafo where they CPDM. Chief for Bali they CPDM. Musonga CPDM. We not talk among ourselves and call and say dialogue. Plenty people they don't run go Nigeria now, so this year. I hear Nigerian police talk refugee. Then when I shit down for that country, when I say when I be happy. Because we come for that country, what can I do it to now and do? This thing not be play for joke. Because you shit down for your house. You get free meals every day when I talk. When I check say other people that go to suffer, they don't get job because you work, you they fine. Don't enjoy my day, so he become vice chancellor of Oboya University. Now we be fight for university before they create that university, become the chancellor. They don't even know say now we make and the chancellor. Dimabola de Benjamin to he dey now for CDC. Now we the make and put them, but the one who the fight they the chop. How many people they know where they be member of parliament now where they be fight like we so one multi-party? Each time when we fight, they give una position, una she don't they una need to join me for fight. This is too much. It's not a joke. For some person like myself, for sacrifice about 30 years of my life, for fight the fight, I mean business. Because if I want to work for that government, I don't work there 25 years. If you want to work for government, I for serve people them, I for give good road, good education, good hospital, great job them for them. Una di make una sister they now for Cameroon they been a prostitute them because they no get work. Now which kind of country that? The same people there. The people now when they rule that country average their age they were 80 years. When actually be Minister of Justice, they not be don't born me for Cameroon. It still be for them. All una. Una get head so una di think. Which kind of people them? When you there una so with diaspora, you check so like for live for country come for here. We not go dialogue with una. I'm not go talk what we go do for here. Most people they can't make noise for social media and then they talk. When someone start, now we country that and no man no get right for stop it for day. Because if you kill one man, you don't go kill other people then. You see what happened for Rwanda. Then they don't kill people, what happen, they don't come back for square one. If thing there for country bad, for she don't fix thing. Even you end them. Now you end them all this country. Now they put me for this trouble. When I go say me they come there. You just say you and go help me. This one are well for interest. We like one brother them. We not stand like one mob. What are we fight with different way? We support each other. People the only one you want to negotiate for waiting for being minister. If you be minister, how you solve the problem? Any person who wants to stand election for that country, may go stand for La Republique. No election for Southern Cameroon. We want our country back. We go take control. We go make our country great again. Power come back. Wadawum go come. Marketing board go come back. Fonadere go come back. And any Frenchman we like for can stay for side, he can stay there. Everything for them go be now English, Anglo-Saxon culture. If you not be happy whether you be Anglophone, you not be happy for one culture, come up for La Republique. Enough is enough. Thank you very much. Mola Alex Ndiveli Singer for the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Thank you.